All right, imagine this. You're running a thriving accounting firm. Clients are pouring in, deadlines are looming, and the sheer volume of paperwork? Let's just say you've seen less intimidating mountains. Now, here's the burning question. What if you had a digital sidekick, a cloud-powered ally that could streamline your workflow, automate tedious tasks, and give you back precious hours of your day? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream exists, and it goes by the name of QuickBooks Online Accountant. We're not just talking about a software upgrade here. We're talking about a paradigm shift. For too long, accountants have been chained to their desktops, buried under spreadsheets and struggling to keep up with the ever-evolving demands of their clients. But what if you could break free from those shackles? What if you could access your clients' data from anywhere, collaborate seamlessly in real time, and provide proactive, insightful advice that truly transforms their businesses? Let's rewind a bit. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of QuickBooks Online Accountant, it's crucial to understand the landscape it's designed to navigate. The modern accountant isn't just a numbers cruncher. They're a strategic advisor, a trusted confidant, and a vital partner in their clients' success. Clients expect more than just accurate financial statements. They want actionable insights, personalized guidance, and a proactive approach that anticipates their needs. This shift in expectations has created a unique set of challenges for accounting professionals. How do you manage a growing client base without sacrificing quality? How do you stay on top of ever-changing regulations and compliance requirements? And most importantly, how do you find the time to build meaningful relationships with your clients when you're constantly bogged down by administrative tasks? That's where QuickBooks Online Accountant comes in. It's not just a software. It's a comprehensive platform designed to address these challenges head-on. Think of it as your virtual command center, a centralized hub where you can manage all your clients' data, collaborate with your team, and access a wealth of resources to streamline your workflow. So let's break it down. What exactly does QuickBooks Online Accountant do? First and foremost, it provides a single, unified platform for managing all your clients. No more juggling multiple logins or switching between different software programs. With QuickBooks Online Accountant, you have a clear, consolidated view of all your clients' financial data, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. One of the key features is the client dashboard. This is your mission control, giving you an overview of each client's financial health at a glance. You can track key performance indicators, monitor cash flow, and identify potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach allows you to provide timely advice and build stronger relationships with your clients. But it's not just about managing data. QuickBooks Online Accountant also empowers you to automate many of the tedious tasks that consume valuable time. Think about reconciling bank statements, categorizing transactions, and generating reports. These are all essential tasks, but they can be incredibly time-consuming. With QuickBooks Online Accountant, you can automate these processes, freeing up your time to focus on higher-value activities. The platform also provides a suite of powerful tools for collaboration. You can invite team members to work on client files, assign tasks, and communicate seamlessly within the platform. This eliminates the need for endless email chains and ensures that everyone is on the same page. And let's not forget about the Pro Advisor program. This is a valuable resource for accountants who want to expand their knowledge and expertise. The program offers training, certification, and access to a community of like-minded professionals. You can learn about the latest features of QuickBooks Online Accountant, stay up to date on industry trends, and network with other accountants. Now, let's dive into some specific functionalities. One of the most powerful features is the ability to batch reclassify transactions. Imagine having to reclassify hundreds of transactions manually. It's a daunting task, to say the least. But with QuickBooks Online Accountant, you can do it in a matter of minutes. This feature alone can save you hours of time each week. Another valuable tool is the ability to create customized reports. You can generate reports that are tailored to your client's specific needs, providing them with actionable insights that help them make informed business decisions. For instance, you can create a cash flow forecast, a profit and loss statement, or a balance sheet. These reports can be customized with your firm's logo and branding, adding a professional touch. QuickBooks Online Accountant also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps. This allows you to extend the functionality of the platform and create a customized workflow that meets your specific needs. For example, you can integrate with apps for payroll, time tracking, and expense management. This seamless integration streamlines your workflow and eliminates the need to switch between multiple applications. Let's talk about the Work tab. This section helps you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and client requests. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. This ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that you meet all your deadlines. You can also monitor the progress of each task and communicate with your team members within the platform. The Books Review tool is another crucial asset. This feature allows you to perform a thorough review of your client's books, identifying any errors or inconsistencies. You can track changes, add comments, and collaborate with your clients to ensure that their financial records are accurate and up-to-date. This tool helps you maintain the integrity of your client's financial data and build trust. QuickBooks Online Accountant also provides access to a library of resources, including articles, videos, and webinars. These resources can help you stay up-to-date on the latest features and best practices. You can also access a community forum where you can ask questions and connect with other accountants. And let's not forget about the ability to manage your firm's billing. You can create invoices, track payments, and generate reports. This streamlines your billing process and ensures that you get paid on time. The platform's cloud-based nature is a game changer. It allows you to access your client's data from anywhere, at any time. This flexibility is essential in today's fast-paced business environment. You can work from your office, from home, or even on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.